Well, here it is. I have 3 of the 4 axes hooked up, one being the slave axis. I do not have means to connect the Z right now. I'm still waiting on a pulley. But I am now hooked up to the Gecko drives, at least 3 of them. These are all screwed down to MDF right now. That's just temporary. I'm going to get a proper metal enclosure here, but for now I just wanted to fasten them to something so they're not wobbling around. Here's the PC that's driving it, and it's just a simple Athlon 64-bit computer. It's nothing fancy. And the PC that I just reformatted and installed all kinds of new stuff on it, and it's still updating, so it's asking me to restart, but I'm not going to do that right now. So anyways, just for fun, I loaded up a simple file here. It's just a circle that I made with VCarve. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to run this. So there it goes. So right now it's doing very small circles, and with each rotation it's getting to go a little bit bigger. It's running at 500 inches per minute right now. Anyways, I'm tempted to bump it up and see it go faster, but I don't know what the point would be. There's my brand new Molex connectors that I just soldered up today. Obviously there's a lot of little refinements that need to be finished still. Here's my weld jobs. I'm not going to get the Best Welder of the Year award, but I'm probably not going to get the worst one either. So, obviously wire management still needs to be done. That's still on the list. But there's no doubt about it, it's cooking. I'm only running 4 amps right now. I can go up to 7. This mount is temporary. It's just to hold that router for now. When I get my spindle, then I have a more permanent aluminum mount that's all machined up and ready to go, and so this guy will go on there and hold a much nicer spindle than just this quarter cable router I had. So I just made a temporary holder for it, just so I could have something in there for now. So anyways, the last thing to happen is to get this Z-axis finished up, and that's basically going to consist of making a top plate and hooking up a motor with a couple pulleys. So not much more to go. I'm choosing to go a hanging cable system, and it'll be a lot better than that. It'll probably have a bar that comes out here that'll support it, but I'm choosing to do that as opposed to running cables along the ground, because I have to run the dust collector up there anyways. So at that point it's not that much trouble just to run the wires up there, and I don't know, I just kind of like that way of doing it. Like I said, cable management still needs to happen. Not finished yet. And there it is. My Mach speed will only let me go up to 900 inches per minute right now. I think it has to do with the kernel speed and the parallel port. And so, anyways, I've hit the speed limit on this at 900, but it's not because the machine won't go any faster. It's simply because Mach won't go any faster. So anyways, thank you for watching.